Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Agrish. I am studying in grade 3 at K.R. Mangalam World School, Bahadurgarh. Today I will discuss about the basic 3 R's of waste management. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Objectives. We will learn to reduce and recycle the waste and determine the different methods for it. Why do reduce waste? Because less waste will save the energy, our resources and helps the earth. We should think ways to reduce waste. Use glass instead of paper or styrofoam cups. Use some more and store in used jars and bottles. Use both sides of paper. Why to reuse things? Because it reduces waste, saves purchasing and disposal costs, reduces pollution and also make the things available for the needy. How do I reuse? Pack lunch in reusable containers. Use rechargeable batteries. Donate unwanted clothing, books to charities. Repair things. You use glass or plastic containers several times. Reuse envelopes. Methods of reusing materials. Make craft projects from discarded materials. Wash and reuse containers. What is recycling? Recycling involves separating materials, collecting them, processing the materials, remanufacturing those materials into new products, buying those new products, using those new products. Why recycle? Saves energy, conserves resources, reduces pollution, cuts waste disposal costs, save valuable raw materials, reduces trash in landfills. Methods of recycling. Send items to a recycling center. Add organic waste to a compost pile or worm bin. Our school initiatives. Organizing carnival on 4th Feb named Global Goals Gala on SDGs. My contribution. Here is my contribution in waste management to create awareness among the people. These are the pictures for my contribution in waste management. Thank you. I would like to thank Crest and the Green Border Olympiad for giving me this opportunity to discuss about the immense benefit of waste management. Together, let's continue our efforts and create a better world for ourselves and the future generations. Thank you.
Thank you, Agrish. I must say, very well presented and very well spoken according to the age group. And Srinika, you have done a marvelous job, beta. Good job, both of you. So, yes, everyone, Agrish is here. So, if anybody would like to ask question from him, you can go ahead. Yes, Sachit, unmute yourself and go ahead, beta.
How are landfills environmentally harmful?
Please repeat.
How are landfills, as we discussed, how are they environmentally harmful?
Because it collects garbage, so it is harmful for our earth and environment. So it is creating pollution and the air is getting dirty and we are taking that air inside. So that's why it is harmful.
Yes, Tanvi.
Okay, so the presentation was on the 3 Rs, like recycle, reduce, and reuse. So are you aware about the fourth Rs, which is refuse? Like,
Yes.
do you have some information on that too? So could you just tell me something regarding that?
Reuse, refuse, reuse, recycle, reduce, and recovers. Repurpose, sorry.
Okay, very good.
Refuse, we should refuse the things like plastic. We should say no to plastic because it is harmful for the environment.
All right. So anybody else is having question? Yes, Badal Raj. Yes, beta, you can ask. Thank you, Tanvi.
How can cleaning waste can save energy?
Please repeat the question.
How can cleaning waste can reduce energy?
Please repeat the question again.
I'm saying that how can cleaning the waste material reduce the energy consumption?
Reusing it. If we will reuse that thing, so we are not supposed to buy new things, then it will save the energy for production and manufacturing.
All right, everyone. Let's ask questions according to his age group, beta, which he'll be able to answer, right? Let's not complicate him. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Like ma'am, there must be some actions taken by the government. Can you name some of them?
Yes,
this is a
there
good
are
question.
so many actions taken by government. They have done the mission Swachh Bharat. They have put it 3 bins. One is of green, one is blue, and one is red. One is of plants, one is of plastic, and one is of
Yes, biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and
yes.
non-management. Thank you.
Welcome.
Anyone else is having question for him? All right, so let's keep the
Thank
session
you,
a
ma'am.
general thought. Thank you, Agrish. So let's keep the session a general thought session, right? So I would like to know everyone's thought related to the sustainable goals. So let me see with whom I can start. Yes, Shrinika, beta, you just tell something like what are your thoughts and what do you feel that why we should follow these SDG goals and how we can just keep our earth more secure while using these SDG goals in our day-to-day routine. So
Uh, they're important. So like when we follow these like goals and like try to accomplish them, we make a more like safer planet, a more like achieving like planet. So like if we complete these goals, like we'll have more and more to accomplish, and then we'll have like that confidence and that like thinking, that mentality that we'll be able to make our earth like a better place.
very nice. Thank you. So tell me any one of the goal which you feel that yes, if I follow this one goal and I can bring a little change in our on our Mother Earth. Any one goal which you feel that if you just inculcate that goal in your day-to-day routine in your life, that you can just bring a change, a small change that I can say on the earth.
Ma'am, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production.
Agrish, you need to stay quiet. You will get your turn better. I'm just talking to Srinika.
Okay.
Not wasting food, like eating all your food.
Very
Because
nice.
the first goal is I think like
Zero
not
hunger.
yeah, zero hunger.
Very nice. Good job. Yes. Who's next now? I think Agrish is curious to talk. Yes, Agrish, your turn, beta. Now you tell me that how you can inculcate any one goal in your day-to-day routine to just bring a small change on the planet Earth.
We will SDG 12, responsible consumption and production.
Very nice.
So we will reuse things, so we will not produce and we will manufacture.
Very
We
nice. So
will
tell
not
me
able to
in
manufacture more.
very nice. So tell me any one thing which you have reused in your life. Anyone?
Reuse.
Yes.
A plastic bottle.
How?
If I am not buying new bottle, I have took water in that only and
Okay. That's very nice. That's a good effort that you have not bought a new bottle, you have not purchased new one, you have reused your old one, right?
yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you, Agrish. Now, yes, Sachin. Yes, Sachin. Tell me which goal you want to inculcate in your life to just bring a small change on this planet Earth.
So I want everybody to stop global warming and burning fossil fuels. And I don't want anybody to waste plastic products like toys, like that.
Okay. And which goal you want to inculcate in your life? Just so you have talked about everybody. I'm talking about you.
Yes, and for me, I have already done a goal because I had some broken, scattered toys, and I didn't play with them actually, but I fixed them and make a small toy. Then I start playing with it.
Very nice. So I would like to introduce him. He's our presenter who has presented a presentation last week. Last week, I can say. Yes, but he is a marvelous presenter. I always adore him and I always like him whenever he speaks. So thank you, Sachin. Very nice. Yes, Vaishnavi, your turn, beta.
Yes, ma'am, zero poverty and responsible consumption and production.
Okay, so let's talk about zero poverty. So how you can bring a small change, how you can just like, I will not say 100%, how you can bring a 5% change in poverty.
Ma'am, there are many clothes that doesn't fit in me. Sometimes it just got torn, so I give to them who are needy for it.
Okay, so that is the sport beta. That is not that you can remove a poverty, right? My question is how you can remove poverty. Who can answer me this question? This is a very nice SDG goals. Like how you can just yes, Sachit.
We can, now that we have NGOs, some parts are going better, but there are still some things like poverty and caste that prevent people from going to school and having good food. So we need to take steps in the government, like have enough taxes or something, so we can change the poverty step and into to make it no poverty, 0% poverty.
Very nice. Yes, Shrinika.
We can create like campaigns or conferences, and especially if like for conferences we can just spread more awareness. So then with that awareness, like people will be able to create campaigns. And about the like campaigns, they could like what provide free education, and then provide clean water, and then access to healthcare.
Very
So that
nice.
will be like a base.
Very nice. All right. Who else want to contribute now? Who else want to talk about like any one SDG goals? Just tell me on your own. Anyone else? Sujata, would you like to go ahead, beta? She's also our ex-participant.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to
Excuse me.
I want to reduce the use of plastics and using of eco-friendly products.
How come you can do that?
Ma'am, by using crackers eco-friendly and etc.
Do you really feel that crackers can be eco-friendly?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, there are some.
Okay, you need to check and then you need to update me also. I don't think so. Crackers are eco-friendly. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, no problem. Anyone else, or we'll just end the session? Right. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the session today, and thank you so much, presenters who have presented the screen. So we will see many more sessions with you. All right. Hope you have just copied the link which I have pasted in the chat box, and I have shared the WhatsApp group link also, which you can join in. All right. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, Beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.